Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something really cool. God, I hope it's good. This is Nudie Peanut Chili Irresistible Ramen Vegan 16 grams of protein. Look at this. Gold leaf, baby. Gold leaf. And yeah, this is really neat. I want to give a shout out to Isabel, the founder of the company. She sent me an email a couple weeks ago and wanted to send me some samples. Of course I'm saying yeah. And here we are. This stuff is really unique. See this box? It's plastic, right? You cook it in this. That's pretty darn cool. I'm stoked on that. This is like taking the concept of a cup noodle and just, it's basically, you can cook a noodle block that's in the traditional shape in one of these. So I've already got one that I went through and did all the stuff with. I want to keep these things cherry because they're really neat. Well, first off, look at this noodle. It's got spirulina in it, which is like ultra healthy stuff. Kale, other fun things, lots of veggies. Come to Mama peanut sauce. My nose is funny. Veg out veggie cube. And I'm gonna have to ask her what about the licensing to use the word, but Netflix and chili sauce. Like, wow. So what do? You take this. It looks so like lab related. I've just been looking at it and like, oh wow, this is totally cool, totally different. I'm sure the packaging isn't cheap to do, but I think it's like jump in your time machine and go to the year 2500. It's like, oh yeah, oh, instant noodles are still around? Yeah, they come in something like this. But, you know, it's really neat. I like it. They're non-fried, evident from trying to eat a little morsel of it. Okay, what am I doing wrong? User error, there we go. Alright, so look. Fits right in there, like a little burger. And then you've got this one, which is, what do you call it? It's a freeze-dried seasoning block. Also says it's lower sodium. I hope I like it. I really do. Yeah. So you've got tons of vegetables in this freeze-dried block. Vegetables and seasoning base. This is a really common thing to see these days. You'll see like miso soups that come in these little blocks. Yeah, here's, see that? And then this thing, once it gets hot water and it just like explodes. All right, how am I gonna do this without spilling it everywhere? That's the thing. There's nothing here for user error, so. Let's give this a try. And away we go. Dump, 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 dump. Oh. Oh. It said 1 1/4. Oh wow, it's hydrating pretty quick. And it's 4 minutes. Covered, stirring often. And what's neat too, in the future I believe everyone will eat kamaboko. Here's one of my blocks from kamaboko, and it fits over the top perfectly. It's like they knew. This is what I'm in this whole game for, folks. I love new weird stuff, and this qualifies as new, trippy, and weird. And I hope it's good. Try to give it a stir right off the bat. Oh yeah, it's hydrating. Wow, Wow, it smells very strong. It's supposed to be really healthy. This looks, I'm like, peanut sauce and cherry oil. Rah, 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 rah. I'm down. I am so down. Thank you for making this weird product. I'm like super stoked. I hope it's not too weird. I think I'm gonna like it though. But what's neat is you can use the Kamoko block, pull it back a little bit, and then you can drain it with it. That's my theory though. I don't know how that'll work. Hopefully it'll work well. Yo. So what's going on? We're gonna go and have some dinner tonight at my wife's aunt and uncle. Some people from out of town are gonna come hang out, and got a big package of noodles from Japan coming today. I am stoked. They could show up any second, any freaking second. And it's Thursday, which means tomorrow's Friday, the gateway drug for the weekend. They're watching Frozen and on their tablets. That's why it's so quiet. Da, 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 da. She's out there chattering. But yeah, let's give it another stir, as recommended in the instructions. Wow. There is a lot of veg in this stuff. Irresistible ramen, it says. God, I hope I like it. If the that's one thing I always worry about when I see really neat packaging, is like, is that where it ends? There's some Thai bowls that are like really neat looking, and then it's just like, eh. We'll find out in about a minute. But yeah. And as with the last one, I'm not going to add anything to this one. I might. I don't know. This is like such a weird, unique kind of thing. I might not add anything to it. I see on their website that they're going to have like a smoky garlic and a tonkatsu as well. So that's thrilling. But it's got, let's see, wheat flour, tapioca starch, so that'll make them bouncy, or maybe tapioca flour would. Spirulina, so there's this stuff called spirulina. It's this blue-green algae. It's supposed to be like, I think it's an antioxidant. It's got holy basil. Holy basil is really good, and that's like the 1, 2, 3. That's the 4th ingredient. So I'm really hoping this is just like basil overload. I like that. Alright, so one final stir. Okay, wow. There's not a lot of water to cull off of this. So let's go like that. Hold it down. It says do this carefully. I'll do my best. Hey, that works. I'll tell you what, you eat that fish cake, you get these little pieces of wood. I've used these things for so many different things. I've used them for camera mounts to make them fit right. I've used them at the bottom of bookcases to make sure they kind of lean the right way. I've used them for so many different things, folks. I tell you what. Eat kamaboko, Japanese fish cake. It comes with a handy tool. Alright, so I'm going to dump it right into here. It's so very green. Wow. And there's a lot of veg I got to pull out of here too. These are not cheap noodles. I can't remember how much they are, but they are not like $1 a pack. Some people will be like, what? But, you know. They smell like strongly of green vegetable. Okay. And let's give it the whoa. Yeah, if you want cheap noodles, go to your grocery store. Don't go to the ethnic section. And, you know, get some domestically made pillow packs and you'll be good to go. But this is not for that crowd. Or maybe it is, you know? Some people may be thrilled to try this and be like, wow, you know, it does cost a lot more, but it's really good. I am stoked I'm getting the opportunity to tell you if I like it or not. It says they're irresistibly delicious. Or it's irresistible ramen. At this point, it kind of reminds me with you got the peanut sauce and the chili sauce. That screams like a Taiwanese sesame noodle. There's peanut sauce, but I think there's sesame in it too. Ooh. That tastes familiar. Alright. Stir it up. Here we go. That's beautiful. Look at all that veg in there. Yeah, my fingers are crossed for you. I really hope I like it. I'm either gonna love it or I'm gonna be like, oh my god. I think this isn't gonna be a half. Either like, I think this is a you love it or you hate it kind of thing. But I have good feelings about this. So, it smells out of this world. And there we are. Here we go. I need to stir that more. I didn't get any of the chili stuff. Put that down here. Yeah, the chili flavor was not in that bite at all. Alright, try number 2. Look at all that stuff. It's got a strong peanut to it. Is that it there? I feel like I'm digging for this chili sauce. The instruction says add it to a plate and then dump the stuff on top. Maybe that's the deal. That peanut level is great. I better slow down. I'm gonna have to make another one. There it is. Yeah, so if you make this stuff, pour it on. But my whole thing is plating. I want it to look nice, so. You know what? Ooh, the Szechuan pepper's got a nice hit to it too. It's not overwhelming. But I mean, look at all the freaking veg in this stuff. Plus it's, hold on. Plus they're freeze-dried vegetables, so they're way better. Well, I'm gonna officially say I like that a lot. I can happily say that's a 5-star noodle. So, this is an instant where the noodle is worthy of its packaging. And that sometimes is not the case, but this time it is. So thank you very much for sending some along. I ate too much of it. Yeah. And I'm gonna eat the rest of it. And that isn't something I do much these days. But I'll tell you one thing, folks. This sucker is green. Look at that. Hi, Miles.
Hi.
You want to try some green noodles?
Especially bits of
Do you want some green noodles?
No,
No thanks? Well, let's let them rotate, okay? Hey, Mimi! Mimi! Hey, Mimi, come here!
Coming out.
You want a noodle? Here she comes. Oh, she's probably playing in the bedroom. Stinker. Were you in the bedroom? Oh, stinker. Do you want to try this one? Okay. Here you go. I'll let you try. You tell me what you think, okay? It's all green. It's all green. It's okay. Try it. Smell it. At least smell it. Give it a sniff. Give it a sniff, Mimi. Give it a sniff. It's yummy. Papa likes it. It's got peanut butter in it too. Well, sorry to tell you, my daughter doesn't want to even touch it with a 10-foot pole, but I like it. Anyways, go to getnudie.com and check them out. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Try some of these things. They're rad. Have a good one. Bye.